Omoro birobogo sangiria ebirengererio igoro yeri chikorio kurenda abagotu bori omwaka o 2024 nigo okorekana ase amagacho culture hall imeye county ya Kisii ase ekirenga ekinene kiaringe ekioko sangiria ebirengere kurase abakenya erio kumanyanchira kibarachi gutumika ase goikirania richikerio nyuma richikerio ritaraiki bosio bwebunge nigo richikerio abateri gosirwa ne serikali ye county ya Kisii amo nababwatani bande
Ediatele ane gongor kulisa lumagaka mo secretary we directorate ya social development assisted department ya social protection and senior citizen affairs ere tubwato moyega Kenya ngima asichinse mo ikomi awao chioko tabia abana inji goro ye lichiko tagate kaleta tikolenda bagaka ku the older persons bill 2024 lichikeli tateli lietiguna na serikali egere serikali enene, that's the national government, county government wanyale kutuare chinguru chiokolenda bagaka ande gwakikishanga lichikeli lyabalendire.
My name is Jude Otogo. I represent Ethel Foundation for the Aged. I want to begin by thanking the government, represented here by the Secretary, Mr. Magaka, for taking the initiative to put in place specific legislation to address issues affecting older persons in this country. Specifically, it's an opportunity for me to speak to the older persons about their rights, sensitize them about what their rights are, and of course encourage them to give very open suggestions, since this is the only opportunity that older persons have to articulate issues that they would like to see captured in that bill.
Tabaka sekiombe kurukwanga tabaka wodu uongozi wa hutu ekiombe kyoge kwegerera bwene bwa mwanya bantu na maene unatua some twaringa ningi yere onye mbia nyarekana kereko cha kugenda parliament etigwe eberi chiko ekogera twarurira abantu baita bagotu baguchandika bono gaturigetie nga ekero riraete twegenire nga nonye ni ntwe gaturigerete go chiobogotu bono gaturiti customer cha go chiobogotu na botura arendwe gwetera richika ekero riraete